So this is the Amazon Echo. While Amazon introduced the smart speaker 2 years ago, the competition sure has catch up now. Here's my experience with the new Echo. It's designed to blend into your home, and it does. It comes in a range of finishes. This is the grey fabric finish that I have. These can also be swapped for other finishes available from Amazon. It's the size of a large coffee mug and weighs a little more than 800 grams. These dimensions make it quite stable on the surface. At the top are the mute and action buttons along with volume controls. These are encircled with an LED light ring around the top, which provides the only visual feedback you get while interacting with the device. Around the back there is a power input and a 3.5mm audio output. Setting up the device was quite simple. After connecting the power supply, Alexa guides you through the setup.
Hello, your Amazon Echo is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
You need to download the Alexa app or open up the website from your PC. It came pre-configured with my Amazon account. You need to select the Wi-Fi network in the app. The whole process took me about 5 minutes. It's not bad, but not great as well. It is okay for casual listening. It sounded quite bad when I first played music after setting it up, but after a few minutes, Alexa told me a software update is in progress, and after about 5 minutes when software was updated, there was a marked improvement in the sound quality. The sound is comparable to the Bose SoundLink Mini I have been using on my bedside. While the Bose had a punchier bass and a great acoustic performance, the vocals are crisp on the Echo. It gets pretty loud, but the audio quality suffers drastically at higher volumes. I mostly keep the volume level below 5. It's adequate for a medium room. As for the Alexa's voice, it's loud and clear as you would expect, and it almost sounds like there's a real person in the room. The 7 microphones at the top of the speaker are always listening to respond to the hot word. It works surprisingly well. It heard me from the other end of the room while playing music. Alexa, play more like this. Voice recognition is indeed very important for it, as it's the only way to interact with the device. Voice recognition isn't always very accurate though. Sometimes I had to repeat myself a couple of times to get the song name right. The Amazon Alexa app can also be used to control music playback and a host of other things, but it is just too slow and lacking. It takes forever to load, and going through the different sections is a pain. It is definitely a missed opportunity, as it could have been pretty useful when using your voice is just not possible. There are thousands of skills that can be activated in the app or with voice as well. It has currently the biggest ecosystem of smart home devices. You can ask it to order Uber, play the local news, weather information, and all the other assistant stuff. Since it's powered by the cloud, it is constantly getting better with time. While Amazon was the first, it is now not the only one making it. Google Home gets you the power of Google search into your home, while Apple's HomePod promises a best-in-class sound quality. Then there's Sonos trying to offer a great sound quality with a choice of Google Assistant or Alexa. It really comes down to personal preference and if you are ready to have an always listening device in your home. As for the Echo, It starts off as a mild convenience and grows on you over time. But the focus here is really on the smart aspects of the speaker than the sound. So if you guys like this video, make sure to hit that like button